Welcome to Control Engineering Lab. Today we are going to do the experiment on synchro pair system. That is, this synchro pair is used normally in position tracking systems. So here we have synchro pair motors, that is kit, with two synchro pair transmitter and receiver here. You can see one transmitter is here, receiver is here. So the angular position of the transmitter and angular position of the control is given on the both sides of the pairs. We have 230 volt supply for this kit to work, and this synchro pair motors are powered by 24 volt DC. This 24 volt AC. This is power to rotors. These are the two rotors. You can see R2, R1, R2, R1, R2. These are the rotors of transmitter and receiver respectively. So this is transmitter, three-phase stator winding. This is again three-phase stator winding of receiver. So this rotor is concerned with transmitter. This rotor is concerned with receiver. So to conduct the experiment, the procedure is like this. We have to vary the transmitter in difference of 30 degrees. So refer to that. The angular position of the receiver is also noted. So by controlling the transmitter in remote position, receiver is kept, so that is controlled, and any error is calculated in the tabular column. So this is all the procedure. It is very simple. Let us start the experiment. First, both are kept at 0 degree. This is also 0 degree. Receiver is also almost 0 degree. There might be some difference of 1 or 2 degree. So I will keep it, the transmitter, to 30 degree. So corresponding reading on receiver is little bit less than 30 degree. So that difference is the error. That error is calculated. I will show it in the tabular column afterwards. Same way, at some equal intervals, you have to take the readings like 60, 90 at the same position. Corresponding reading in the receiver is also taken. Connections are made as like this. The winding S1, S2, S3 are written already. The same connections are done in the receiver also, like S1 to S1, S2 to S2, S3 to S3. And rotor is supplied, that is one supply is given to R1, and R1 are looped, and one more supply, other supply terminal is given to R2, the other end of the rotor. Both rotor ends are looped. So coming to the tabular column, what we have noted down, you can see the tabular column here. The transmitter, when it was 0, in receiver it was 3 degree. So theta t minus theta r is equal to 3 degree. There is no requirement of polarity. So you can write 3 degree is the difference. So error is 3 degree. Same way, you have to note down up to 360 degree. And after noting down the tabular column, plot graph between error between position of transmitter and receiver. That graph is shown here. This is all about the experiment. It is clear to you all. Thank you.